Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a swap fit today, so I just wanted to show you a new tool that I've picked up. Should be available in our lock shop as well. So this is the Carbine jig here. So this is used for a narrow style mortise lock, like with a 23 I think, or 24mm Backset. Basically, what it does is it allows you to line up 1, the latch, 2, the cylinders, and 3, the handle holes. So I just want to quickly demonstrate that if I could. So there's the handle holes there, and as you can see, they correspond nicely. If you can see them through there. Yes and yes. This is a Lockwood handle here. So a lot of these 3582 mortise locks with the latch, they're all pretty much the same, similar size. If we look on the side here, and if we check our center position for the latch, let's just check that. Top and bottom hole, yes. We should be doing it this way. Top and bottom hole, that aligns. Center position, this line here, yes, that works. The height of the faceplate, yes, that works. All right, so, and also our spindle, we should go this way. Our spindle, which is this hole here, and our cylinder, if you can see, they line up pretty good. So this plate, what it does is it allows you to come up to a door like so, put this over the edge like there, mark your edge, mark your cylinders, mark your holes, come over the other side, okay, you'll have your edge mark, so which means you now can flip it and do these marks. So when you're converting from, let's say, a flip bolt, or you're doing a fresh install of a 3582 short back mortise lock, you can use this jig, and it's just going to save you time. It's a good little jig by the look of it, and not too expensive. We'll leave it on our in the link below if you wish to purchase it, but I just wanted to show you, just for reference, what it is and what it does. And especially if you're converting a flip bolt into a 3582 mortise latch, it's certainly a handy tool. Made of stainless steel, probably 1mm stainless steel, and it's just perfect. So you put it over the top, and then you can just mark it, mark it, mark it. The reason there's 2 holes here is because a lot of people use like a 18mm hole saw for this one. These ones here give you a good gauge of what the sizes should be. Just mark it, mark it, mark it, remove it. Remember this one here, this will be your center of your latch, like so. So yeah, not bad. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.